Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be talking about the MQ-8C Fire Scout, the US Navy's autonomous helicopter that will be deployed in ships worldwide. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get right into it. Fact 1. Based on Bell 407. The MQ-8C Fire Scout, built upon the foundation of the Bell 407 helicopter platform, stands as a testament to the fusion of proven technology and cutting-edge innovation in the realm of unmanned aerial systems. Derived from a successful and widely used helicopter design, the MQ-8C Fire Scout inherits the reliability, adaptability, and performance that the Bell 407 has demonstrated over years of service. The Bell 407's established track record in civilian and military applications serves as a solid foundation for the MQ-8C Fire Scout's capabilities. The platform's airframe, powertrain, and avionics have been reimagined to create an unmanned variant tailored for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision targeting missions. By utilizing the Bell 407's inherent strengths, the MQ-8C Fire Scout offers a range of advantages. These include enhanced endurance, improved payload capacity, and the ability to operate from naval vessels without the need for a runway. Its rotary wing design enables it to efficiently operate in confined spaces, making it a versatile asset for maritime and littoral environments. Alright, Fact 2. 150 nautical mile range. The MQ-8C Fire Scout, a cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy, boasts an impressive operational range of 150 nautical miles. This extended range underscores the UAV's capability to conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence-gathering missions across vast maritime expanses. The 150 nautical mile range of the MQ-8C Fire Scout is a critical asset in modern naval operations. It enables the UAV to cover significant distances from its launch point, facilitating effective monitoring of maritime activities, search and rescue operations, and surveillance of potential threats. This range ensures that naval forces can maintain a continuous and comprehensive situational awareness, enhancing overall operational effectiveness. Equipped with advanced sensor and communication systems, the MQ-8C Fire Scout serves as a force multiplier for naval commanders. Its ability to operate at extended ranges while providing real-time data and intelligence directly contributes to informed decision-making, enabling naval forces to respond promptly and effectively to dynamic situations. The UAV's extended range aligns with the evolving demands of modern naval warfare, where reliable and persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities are of paramount importance. The MQ-8C Fire Scout's ability to cover vast maritime areas, monitor activities, and relay critical information positions it as a vital asset in maintaining maritime security. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 3. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting. The MQ-8C Fire Scout, developed by Northrop Grumman, represents a pivotal advancement in unmanned aerial systems, with a distinct focus on intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting (ISR&T) capabilities. Unlike other unmanned platforms, the MQ-8C does not possess offensive weaponry, but instead excels in providing critical situational awareness and data collection. Designed to operate from both land-based stations and naval vessels, the MQ-8C serves as an invaluable asset in maritime and littoral operations. Its state-of-the-art sensors, including radar, electro-optical, infrared systems, and data link communication, enable it to gather real-time information across vast areas. This data is essential for decision-making processes, identifying threats, conducting search and rescue operations, and supporting maritime security endeavors. The absence of offensive armament underscores the MQ-8C's role as a force multiplier. By focusing on intelligence gathering and surveillance, the UAV significantly enhances the effectiveness of naval forces without engaging in direct combat. Its ability to provide persistent surveillance and target identification contributes to reducing risks for manned aircraft and personnel during potentially hazardous missions. The MQ-8C Fire Scout showcases the transformative potential of unmanned systems in modern military operations, where data-driven insights are paramount. Its role in ISR&T signifies a strategic shift towards harnessing advanced technology to enhance situational awareness, adapt to evolving threats, and optimize decision-making on the battlefield. As technology continues to evolve, the MQ-8C's capabilities stand as a testament to the growing significance of unmanned platforms in shaping the future of naval warfare. Alright, let's get into the next fact. Fact 4. Littoral combat ships. The MQ-8C Fire Scout, a remarkable advancement in unmanned aviation, is poised to play a pivotal role in naval operations by being deployed on littoral combat ships, LCS. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the MQ-8C Fire Scout represents an evolution in reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. Designed to operate in diverse maritime environments, the MQ-8C Fire Scout is tailored to support littoral combat ships missions, which often involve operations in near-shore regions and contested waters. Equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems, the Fire Scout can conduct intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting missions, providing real-time information to enhance situational awareness for both naval vessels and ground forces. The deployment of the MQ-8C Fire Scout on littoral combat ships underscores the increasing reliance on unmanned systems to perform critical tasks in dynamic and complex naval scenarios. The Fire Scout's endurance, range, and ability to operate autonomously make it a valuable asset for sustained surveillance and data collection, contributing to the effectiveness of littoral combat operations. By taking advantage of the Fire Scout's capabilities, littoral combat ships can extend their operational reach and responsiveness. Alright, let's get into the next and final fact. $10 million. The MQ-8C Fire Scout, an autonomous helicopter developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy, boasts an exceptional value proposition with a price tag of just $10 million per unit. This affordability, coupled with its versatile capabilities, positions the MQ-8C as an attractive asset within the military's aerial reconnaissance and surveillance arsenal. Despite its relatively low cost, the MQ-8C Fire Scout does not compromise on performance. Equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems, it excels in various roles, such as intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition. Its ability to operate autonomously, coupled with its endurance, makes it an invaluable tool for gathering real-time data in a range of operational environments. The budget-friendly price of the MQ-8C Fire Scout enables the Navy to deploy a network of these unmanned helicopters, enhancing its situational awareness and operational effectiveness. Whether supporting naval operations, maritime security, or disaster response, the MQ-8C's affordability contributes to the Navy's ability to allocate resources strategically while maintaining a formidable aerial presence. In an era of evolving defense technology. Alright, that is it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.